So when I said that Mike Flynn was back in the news and his advocating for a military coup in the United States was likely protected by the First Amendment, many people said, well, wait a minute, but what about the fact that he is a former military officer? Couldn't he be punished under the Uniform Code of Military Justice? And the answer is maybe, but he probably should not be. First of all, yes, it is possible for retired military officers to be punished under the Uniform Code of Military Justice, but it's unlikely that those laws are going to withstand First Amendment scrutiny. It's actually an issue that is currently on appeal. Law professor Steve Vladeck is heading the charge to try and overturn the current case law on this, and they stand a good chance of succeeding. So this is one of those cases where under current law, it might theoretically be possible, but if that was ever challenged and went up to the Supreme Court, there's a good chance that might be overruled. So we will in fact see this issue in court.